Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to class. This is the third lesson titled Caramel Cake Top, and I told you in your requirements, I said you'll be needing sugar, lime or white vinegar, a balloon, and a non-stick pan or any pan. It doesn't have to be a non-stick pan. Any pan can also do this. So guys, the first thing we are going to do, here I have my glass bowl and I have a glass cup in the bowl. Now you don't have to use a glass bowl or a glass cup, but you have to use something that is heat resistant. That is, you can't use a plastic bowl and you can use a plastic cup. So it's either a glass bowl or a tray. You can also use a baking tray. All you need is something you can put your cup in so that when you're pouring in your sugar, it does not overflow to your tabletop or to the floor. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to fill our balloon with water, cold water, not necessarily from the freezer or from the fridge, but cold water running from the tap, not hot water. And the reason why we are doing this is because the water in the balloon is going to absorb the heat from your sugar solution so that the balloon does not burst while doing this. Okay, so that is why we need to fill our balloon with cold water. So right now I'm going to go fill my balloon with water from the tap and come back and show you guys. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to do, I apologize for being this late. My files are having problems, so I had to make some corrections. So now what we're going to do next here is to make sure that you do not have air bubbles in your balloon. Make sure you don't have air bubbles in your balloon. Now tie it up as you can see me do in the video. Tie the balloon up really tight, and the next thing you're going to do is place that balloon on your cup face down, because you're going to be pouring your sugar solution in on the top of the balloon. So put your balloon face down into the cup, then we'll go and boil our sugar next. Next, measure 1 cup of sugar into your non-stick pan. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of water, and next you're going to add 2 teaspoons of lime. If you're using lime, 2 teaspoons of lime, and if you're using white vinegar as well, you add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Now you're going to mix this together. You can put it on fire. Allow this to boil until you start seeing that it's turning brown and not really as white as it was before. Now be careful not to burn it. Just make sure it is really boiled. As you can see in the video, it's turning brown a little bit. Then add your desired color. This is the end of our class, and this is the end of this section. And in this part, I'm adding balls of fondant into my caramel bowl. You can call it a glass bowl or a caramel glass bowl. So you can add chocolates, balls, or anything into your bowl and place this on your cake for decoration.